Audio Jungle.
It's nice, well, everything. Amaka tell say they come, you just tell everybody for yard. No, think I'm a girl just like say I'm coming, you don't go tell everybody for yard. Tell your mama say she bad. Tell Larry, make it the roast pomo and talk. Wait him. Then make the girl tell say she dey Yalobajana. No, it's not fair. If your girl tells you they come, keep her to yourself. You don't go gather people for yard for just honorary visit. Amaka say no, I will not come again. I'm at home. Igbo girls, they are the most independent set of girls. They can't disappoint you. They're okay. If you're an Igbo girl in the house, put your hands together for yourself. Very independent girls. Give a break. And then you say, okay, we have to take this slow and steady. Aaron, I joke at you. Let me say what you plan to give me. No, give me again. No. Try me. I will kick your knee. Your knee. You are humble. I beg. I dey vex. All those people when they talk rubbish, they talk say Nigerian youths are lazy, Nigerian youths are lazy. Who tell you that one? It's painful. I have a comedian here by the name of Odogu, but he changed his name because the comedy industry don't appreciate that name. People think a native doctor the first time when they start. I said, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands for MC Odogu. People go say, I waited to happen. And that time, I go wear bead for neck like native doctor. So they call advice, I call rebrand. You know, he was first righteous pastor, called Odogu. But now, he don't go into dry cleaning business. Odogu dry cleaners. What will be motto? Will stash you to death. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond this is a true life story. Odogu came to me, please, boss, come and support me. I don't open dry cleaning work, they cannot teach. I say, what you say, Odogu dry cleaners will stash you to death. I never knew he meant it literally, stash me to death. That's okay, no problem. I can encourage your business. I give up 2 bed sheets, 1 native, 1 singlet. To start it. Look at Odogu here. Odogu dry cleaners. Lo and behold, Odogu came back after 3 days. He said, bros, I don't bring your clothes. I said, come up. He said, no, bros, you go come down. I said, what are they come do for that? Not be close. Bring her come up. He said, no, bros, if you come down, you will know why. As I come down, my native is stand like this. Stash. Now the problem is how I want to carry this native past my door, go upstairs. We'll go begin to break the native. Make it for free enter. When the shock me as I come down, the bed sheet. Children for compound don't take the bed sheet, they play table tennis. For me to wear nika on my leg, be reach my knee. This same Odogu get mine, come here again, say, bros, your clothes already. I said, they like dirty clothes for my life, don't worry. Then they like me, they wash my clothes. And before I leave, please, not be everybody where they stay lucky, be real lucky people. The truth is, some of us, we just attach our address to the fact, Lekki. Lekki, Lagos State, not say Lekki for 7 days. Now people when they stay there and they begin count different when roundabout finish, they call they give them their own face. When you say, I live in Lekki phase 14 now, just come down, come. Those kind of people, if you want to see them, they advise you, come weekend or buy for a full motor. If you never eat, find somewhere to stop, eat. Now so my friends come meet me say, what did they do you? Why you go to the state mainland to be big boy? Come on, move to the island. Now I say, enough is enough. Let me go to Lekki. I want to live in the heart of Lekki. Now I call agent. I know this is Buchi. I want to live in the heart of Lekki. Look for property. The guy said, boss, how much be your project? I said, why will you insult me? I said, look for property. You know who's talking to you. I said, boss, you never reach quarrel. 2 days later, I come and say, boss, I don't see something for the heart of Lekki. You go like him. I said, how much? The guy said, 10 million. Minus agency and agreement. I said, for how many years? He said, 1 year, sir. I said, but I'm not buying the property. I just want to leave. I will leave a year. I will back out. The guy said, boss, now the I said, with agency, how much? He said, 15 million. I come quiet. The guy said, hello. I said, I can't hear you. He said, I can hear you, sir. Now I said, what can we do? He said, okay, now you want the heart of Lekki. I said, can you move towards the leg of Lekki, please? I'm not a heart person. Just go towards the leg. Now the guy called me back 3 days. He said, sir, I've gone towards the leg of Lekki. He said, where be that? He said, towards Agungi. I said, okay. As long as there's Lekki there, I'm okay. The guy said 7 million. I said, you are still in the body of Lekki. Can you avoid the whole body? Just go down, further down. Leave the body of Lekki alone. I just want to live 1 year and we pack away. I'm not buying the property. The guy said, bros, calm down, nobody is correct. I said, don't pass correct. I tell you. He not tell the guy come again. He said, bros, I don't see what you define. I said, hey, how much are we talking about? He said, 5 million. I said, I like that. Where? He said, it's just further than the body of Lekki. I said, where is it? Ekpe. He said, no, you pass Ekpe small, but Lekki did the address. I said, if I pass Ekpe small, he said, sir, it's Lekki Expressway. And I said, Lekki Expressway, 5 million? I like the fact that Lekki is there, but can we still go further than the limits? And the guy said, bros, no worry, I will get to you later. 1 week later, now he come. He said, bros, I don't know what you define. 1.5 million. You can park 4 cars. There's table tennis court inside and swimming pool. I said, how much will agency an agreement? He said, it's inside already. I said, now we are talking. Now we are talking. Why not they make her look as if this Lekki thing? So you fit get this guy property, now you dey hide am. Give me address. I said, is it around 4th roundabout? He said, okay, forget all the roundabout in Lagos. I said, okay, it's true. You know how much they removed the roundabout? He said, no, forget it. Even the old one, forget all. Go further down. I said, oh, is it after Ekpe? He said, no, sir. Further down, sir. Now my voice got reduced. I said, further down where? Is it? Alright. The guy said, Papa, further down, further down. I said, further down after already. Where remain now being? The guy said, bam. The door rush. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
We don't come up with don't be joke. We don't want pistol, we don't want things. So that's where we don't want God, the people body. Aaron, you know that not because we done only last week and beg. If they put God your face, and you know all these guys say they form the Awala Leko, show them God. That time you go know like, oh, microphone. My joke funny on the microphone. Make a perform like a react. But I don't go cause any DJ. I go cause politicians. Because now they reign now. And you know say this election period cause politicians will hold low. Because this Buhari period, not because politicians get money. I will tell you politicians will get money, they hear their name. But some now brother, although there's Saraki, Dino, all those are not the politics.
Audio Jungle.